Morning. Here's a look out west from our Sandia crest cam, and you can see the orangey colors here. We have some cloud cover already dealing with the haze this morning from the smoke from the Arizona fires, and that is going to be sticking with us. That smoke is for the next several days. That is going to be an issue with us for much of this week as winds continue to be mainly out of the west and southwest. Right now at Sandia Peak, winds out of the west northwest fluctuating between out of the southwest at about 5 miles per hour. A little chilly, 49 degrees up that way. And then this picture, a very similar look to what we're seeing this morning. This was a smoky sunset sent in by Bob. This was looking out west from Albuquerque, and this was taken over the weekend, and we're going to be looking at a lot more sights like that over the next few days as the winds begin to ramp back up again across much of western New Mexico. Right now 68 degrees in Albuquerque. You can see the haze too over in the East Mountains. Winds fairly light for now, but those are going to be increasing through the day, but again especially over in the western half of the state. This is a look at the wind direction, and you can see it's kind of all over the place, but we are starting to see more winds out of the south, southwest for central and eastern New Mexico, and over in the west central plains, south-southwest winds there too. They are going to be getting stronger as we head through the day, and again more southwesterly. We had a little bit of a break from the wind yesterday, but that's not going to be the case today. We'll be looking at strong winds, so southwest flow is going to send more smoke our way. It's definitely going to be an issue for Grants and northwestern New Mexico this day. That's where it's going to be the biggest factor, but in the central part of the state, we're going to see some of that head our way as well. Clouds right now across central and eastern New Mexico. That lingering moisture from some showers and storms that developed last night over the Sacramentos in southern New Mexico. As we go through the day, we may see a few spot thunderstorms over in the east, but that's going to be about it for us. So windy conditions up in the northwest. High pressure is going to continue to bring some of that moisture in. So we do have a storm shot across northern and northeastern New Mexico late this afternoon and into the early part of the evening. But then once this high pressure system moves to the south, we're going to be looking at more dry conditions with only a few spot thunderstorms possible. Our rain chance is really going down here over the next few days. North and west areas of smoke today. Look at the wind. Southwest at 25 to 35 miles per hour sustained, and then gusting to 50 miles per hour. 93 in Farmington, 84 in Durango. So it will be a warm one. May see a stray thunderstorm up near Durango this afternoon and tomorrow afternoon, and then mostly sunny after that. Down in the southwest, we could be looking at a little smoke this way too, with temperatures in the mid-90s, 68 degrees tonight in Las Cruces, 66 in Deming. So a pretty mild night tonight. Winds are going to be sticking around for at least the next few days and then getting a little bit better as we head toward the end of the work week. South and east, hot and sunny with a slight chance for a thunderstorm here. I think better chances will be up to the northeast. We'll be looking at triple-digit heat though here Tuesday and Wednesday, 103 on Wednesday with windy conditions again for the next few days. North and east, partly cloudy with temperatures in the low to mid-90s. We'll watch for a few thunderstorms to develop this afternoon and this evening. A chance for a few more storms on Tuesday, then windy and sunny Wednesday and Thursday. Northern mountain scattered storms again this afternoon with highs in the 70s, 88 in Santa Fe. Winds stick around through at least Thursday. It looks like it might be a little better by Friday though. East mountains partly cloudy and breezy with a chance for a few spot storms. Highs on the warm side, upper 80s and low 90s. And for the metro, we could be looking at areas of smoke again this afternoon, a little worse than it was yesterday. Winds are going to be climbing out of the southwest, and then windy conditions for the next few days. We'll be looking at more sunshine though Wednesday and Thursday.